Nakipagpulong si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kay Russian President Vladimir Putin para pag-usapan ang ilang mahalagang usapin at issue sa pagitan ng dalawang bansa. Nangyari po yan bago ang ASEAN-Russia Commemorative Summit. At mula po sa Kazan, Russia, balitang hatid ni Tina Panganiban Perez.
Parehong bukas sina Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at Russian President Vladimir Putin na palawakin pa ang kalakalan ng Pilipinas at Russia.
Apparently, we are approaching the present threshold with an immense capital of mutual beneficial cooperation underpinned by good traditions of mutual respect and respect for legitimate interests of each other. Last year, bilateral trade exceeded $0.5 billion. Of course, this is far from the limit, and of course there is a good potential to enhance supplies of agriculture and energy resources.
We appreciate the forward-looking exchange and on the different structural issues that affect the trade between our two countries. And as you have mentioned, Your Excellency, there are many potential areas that I think we should still open to explore. And I think that the present level of trade, although it is steady, I think that there's a great deal more that we can do.
Isa sa mga pangunahing issue sa bilateral meeting ni Pangulong Marcos at ni President Putin ay ang issue ng energy security. Lalo pat ang Pilipinas ay apektado ng giyera sa Middle East, habang ang Russia naman ang may pinakamalaking gas reserve sa buong mundo at ang pinakamalaking gas exporter.
We note that during the JCTEC meeting held in Moscow, energy and food security emerged as one of the mutual priorities of both our countries. And that is why we again, that B2B component at the sidelines of the JCTEC enabled Philippines and Russia to establish networks and explore joint ventures.
Ito ang unang pagbisita ni Pangulong Marcos sa Russia kung kailan chairman ng Pilipinas ng ASEAN o Association of Southeast Asian Nations ngayong 2026. Nasabay rin ito sa pagunita ng ika-35 anibersaryo ng relasyon ng ASEAN at ng Russia na nakatakdang pag-usapan sa ASEAN-Russia Commemorative Summit ngayong June 18.
It is a pleasure to welcome you in Russia, in Kazan. As far as I know, this is your first visit to Russia. This year, your country chairs in the ASEAN, and we are happy that during your chairmanship in the ASEAN, we will celebrate the 38th anniversary of our relationship with the association. The commemorative summit is a landmark in the development of the Russia-ASEAN strategic partnership.
Kinuha rin ni Putin ang pagkakataong batiin ang mga Pilipino sa ating pagunita ng Araw ng Kalayaan noong June 12 na isa ring national holiday sa Russia. Dagdag pa ni Putin, ngayong buwan din, ginugunita ang ika-50 anibersaryo ng diplomatic relations ng Pilipinas at Russia. Binalikan pa nga ni Putin ang naging pagbisita ni Nooy Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Sr. sa Russia noong 1976. Sabi ng Pangulo ng Russia, magandang pagkakataon na nakapulong niya si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos para suriin ang kasalukuyang kooperasyon ng Pilipinas at Russia. Inimbitahan ni Pangulong Marcos si Putin na dumalo sa 21st East Asia Summit na gaganapin sa Maynila sa Nobyembre. Matapos ang kanilang pulong, dumalo rin ang dalawang Pangulo sa isang gala na dinaluhan din ng iba pang heads of government. Mula rito sa Kazan, Russia, is Kasani Rosia. Tina Panganiban Perez, Reportage, GMA News.